Welcome back to Immortal Solution. Unleash your inner strength. A beginner's guide to building muscle. Want to build muscle? Feel stronger. You're in the right place. Everyone starts somewhere. With the right approach, you can achieve amazing results. This isn't about becoming a bodybuilder overnight. It's about unlocking your potential. Let's embark on this transformative journey together. It's time to redefine what's possible. Building muscle is about more than aesthetics. It's about improving your health, boosting your confidence, and feeling unstoppable. No more feeling intimidated by the gym. No more doubting your abilities. This is your time to rise. This guide will provide you with the tools and knowledge you need. We'll cover everything from nutrition to exercise, ensuring you have a solid foundation. Get ready to transform your body and mind. Fueling the machine. Nutrition for optimal muscle growth. You can't build a house without bricks. Nutrition is the foundation of muscle growth. Think of your body as a high-performance machine. It needs the right fuel to function at its best. Protein is essential for building and repairing muscle tissue. Aim for a diet rich in lean protein sources. Good options include chicken, fish, beans, and lentils. Don't forget about carbohydrates. They provide the energy you need to power through your workouts. Healthy fats are also important. They support hormone production and overall health. Incorporate foods like avocados, nuts, and olive oil into your diet. Remember, consistency is key. Make sustainable changes to your eating habits. Building blocks. Mastering compound exercises for maximum gains. Compound exercises are the kings of muscle building. These movements work for multiple muscle groups simultaneously. This leads to greater overall muscle growth and strength gains. Squats, deadlifts, bench presses, and pull-ups are all fantastic compound exercises. Squats target your quads, hamstrings, and glutes. Deadlifts work your entire posterior chain, from your back to your legs. The bench press is a classic exercise for building a strong chest, shoulders, and triceps. Pull-ups are excellent for developing upper body strength, targeting your back, biceps, and forearms. These exercises are highly effective but require proper form. Start with lighter weights and focus on mastering the correct technique. As you get stronger, gradually increase the weight you lift. Section 4. Form is king. The importance of proper technique and progressive overload. Proper form is crucial for maximizing results and preventing injuries. When performing exercises, focus on maintaining correct posture and movement patterns. Don't sacrifice form for heavier weights. If you're unsure about your form, ask a qualified trainer for guidance. Progressive overload is the key to continuous muscle growth. This means gradually increasing the demands placed on your muscles over time. You can do this by increasing the weight you lift, the number of reps you perform, or the number of sets you complete. Listen to your body and progress gradually. Don't push yourself too hard, too soon. Consistency and gradual progress are more important than intensity. Section 5. The blueprint. Crafting your personalized workout plan. A well-structured workout plan is essential for achieving your fitness goals. Start with a plan that targets different muscle groups on different days. For example, you could focus on upper body exercises one day, lower body exercises the next day, and rest on the third day. Incorporate a variety of exercises into your routine to challenge your muscles in different ways. Don't be afraid to try new exercises and adjust your plan as needed. Rest and recovery are just as important as training. Make sure you're getting enough sleep and allowing your muscles adequate time to repair and rebuild. Section 6. Flexibility. The unsung hero of muscle growth and injury prevention. Flexibility is often overlooked, but it's crucial for muscle growth and injury prevention. Stretching regularly improves your range of motion, reduces muscle soreness, and can even enhance your athletic performance. Incorporate dynamic stretches before your workouts and static stretches afterward. Dynamic stretches involve moving your joints through a full range of motion, such as arm circles and leg swings. Static stretches involve holding a stretch for an extended period, such as a hamstring stretch or a quad stretch. Listen to your body and stop if you feel any pain. Flexibility takes time and consistency, but the benefits are well worth the effort.